Shadowing English speaking practice. Improve your accent with graded reader. Want to speak English like a pro? Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Today, I'll show you exactly how to practice shadowing step by step. Ready? Let's get started. Section 1. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say as quickly as possible, almost like an echo. It helps you 1. Improve your listening skills. 2. Mimic native pronunciation. 3. Build confidence in speaking fluently. Shadowing equals listening plus imitating, real-time practice. Think of it as learning to dance by copying a professional dancer. The closer you match them, the better you get. Section 2. How to practice shadowing. Here's how you can practice shadowing effectively. Step 1. Choose your material. Pick something interesting and clear, like a podcast, TED Talk, or movie clip. Start with short sentences and slower-paced speech. Examples: audiobooks with text, YouTube videos with subtitles, news broadcasts. Step 2. Listen first. Play the audio and focus on understanding it. Don't start speaking yet, just listen carefully. Step 3. Repeat immediately. Now, play the audio again and repeat each sentence or phrase immediately after the speaker. Don't worry about being perfect at first. Step 4. Match intonation and rhythm. Focus on the speaker's tone, stress, and rhythm. Try to mimic their natural flow. Step 5. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily practicing shadowing. Over time, you'll notice a big improvement. Section 3. Shadowing examples. Let's try some examples together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat it after me. Ready? 1. I love learning new languages. 2. Practice makes perfect. 3. Shadowing is fun and effective. Now, let's do a full conversation. Try to keep up. Example dialogue.
Speaker 1. Hi, how are you?
Shadow. Hi, how are you?
Speaker 1. I'm doing great, thank you.
Shadow. I'm doing great, thank you.
Pause the video if needed and replay the sentences until you feel comfortable. Section 4. Tips for effective shadowing. To get the most out of shadowing, keep these tips in mind. Start slow, don't rush. Begin with slow-paced audio and gradually increase the speed. Use subtitles. If you're struggling, read along with subtitles or transcripts. Record yourself. Listen to your own recordings to spot areas for improvement. Focus on phrases. Practice in chunks instead of individual words. This improves your natural flow. Repeat daily. Consistency is more important than perfection. Keep practicing. Section 5. Advanced shadowing techniques. Once you're comfortable with basic shadowing, take it up a notch with these advanced techniques. Silent shadowing. Mouth the words without speaking out loud. This improves muscle memory for pronunciation. Shadow without subtitles. Challenge yourself to rely only on listening. Focus on emotion. Imitate the speaker's emotions and energy to sound more natural. Section 6. Benefits of shadowing. Why should you make shadowing a regular part of your English practice? Here are some incredible benefits. Improved pronunciation. Shadowing helps you master the subtle sounds of English, like linking words and intonation patterns. Natural rhythm. You'll learn to speak with a natural flow, avoiding awkward pauses or robotic speech. Listening skills. Shadowing trains your ears to pick up on fast speech and understand context better. Confidence boost. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel speaking in real-life situations. Real-time thinking. Shadowing pushes you to process English faster, which is essential for fluent conversation. Section 7. Common challenges and how to overcome them. You might face some challenges when shadowing, but don't worry, here's how to overcome them. Struggling with speed. Start with slower audio and gradually increase the pace. Remember, progress takes time. Difficulty pronouncing words. Break the sentence into smaller parts and practice each word separately before shadowing the full sentence. Feeling frustrated. Celebrate small wins and focus on improvement, not perfection. Every bit of practice counts. Subscribe for more speaking tips. You did an amazing job today. Shadowing is a powerful way to boost your English fluency. Keep practicing daily, and you'll see results in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching this video from Simply English, an educational channel for all ages and all stages. If you're new to this channel and enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. If you have any suggestions, please mention them in the comments section. Take care, and goodbye.